Schneb. Tapusin nyo siya hanggang dulo, turo kung paano siya tugtugin. Title nito is Give Thanks by Alitera. Kung gusto nyo siyang mapanood ng original tsaka yung mga song nila, search nyo lang Ayatera. Well, if you're lost and alone, don't worry, cause you're already home. And I know it's a long, long road, but we're ready to go, ready to go. Found beauty in a balance in between all the highs and lows. So as long as I can sing my song, then I'm ready to go, ready to go. For whatever gonna come my way, yes, I just give thanks, give thanks. No struggles and the troubles and the sorrow, yeah, I just give thanks, give thanks. Don't worry about tomorrow, you're leaving today. Give thanks, we gotta give thanks, yeah, it's all gonna be okay. Just gotta give thanks, yeah. Yes man, once again, this is Rasta Ojne from Simple Coms. I am thankful that God has given me this wonderful life, giving much love and respect for everyone. I give thanks for this life that you've given me. My love's like an ocean, it got no worries. Been sailing through the known on the forbidden seas. Been chasing the sun, but it's gone eventually. Waves get up and I'm not giving up. This place is just forsaken, your memories are sacred. Life's get tough, never stop looking up. Give thanks for this life, my soul. For whatever gonna come my way, yeah, I just give thanks, give thanks. In all the struggles and the troubles and the sorrow, yeah, I just give thanks. We gotta give thanks, and don't worry about tomorrow, we're living today. Give thanks, we gotta give thanks, yeah, it's all gonna be okay. We just gotta give thanks, yeah. Yes man. Peace and love. Subscribe. Turo ko sa inyo kung paano siya tugtugin. Ganda lang siya, madali lang. G, D minor, tsaka C. Strumming niya, basic lang. Bass, down, bass. Bali sa G, pabad lang kayo sa G. Pabad nyo lang. Bali dalawang ikot. Saka kayo lumipat. Yan, kung gusto nyo siyang matutunan, sabayan nyo na lang yung tugtog. Yes man, sana nakatulong. Subscribe.